What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orlando, aka King Smitty, aka Young Goat, aka Chosen One. I'm just here to give you a recap of exactly what's been going on with my portfolio recently. Still haven't gotten rich yet. It's been pretty rough market in the last 2 weeks. Pretty red. Hopefully, it's consolidating this week. But I just want to give you an update on my watch list and what I'm hoping to be buying into this week. So let's get into it.
Are you trading yet? It's time to get in the game.
See here, we did start off the year at $1,297.98, and now we are at $1,366.24. So you can see that we did take a little drop in our portfolio, and you can see right around the 18th of February is where the correction started. You can see a drop down to 1,400, came back up almost to 1,500. Dropped back down to $13.99, back up to almost $1,500, and then to where I am now. And the first stock I want to put on my watch list is Space, SPCE, or known as Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc. And right here, you can see where we did previously note the chart at, where I previously noted the chart at for my own personal records for my technical analysis. And you can see right here with the stock dropping, it is literally at a previous resistance line. I'm gonna back it up a little bit, and you can see this resistance line back in August 20th, 2020. It was literally a resistance line. That stock got to that point and couldn't cross. As well, around December, you can see it hitting that resistance line again. So looks like in January it did finally break that resistance. And a common rule for trading and investing is resistance becomes support. So once it broke that resistance line, you can see right here that it is now using that once was a resistance line, it is now using that as a support line. So if you look in right here, I wouldn't be too nervous of buying right here. You can see the highs was at $60, so this stock has dropped over 50% as of this time. So that's literally a 100% gain. If I were to jump in right here and just to ride it back up to previous highs, it'll be a 100% gain. I could definitely see this stock going back up. I know one of their main investors did sell all their shares, but he did say it was due to him having to readjust his portfolio, sell off some things just so he could have some cash available. But it's a lot of things going on with Virgin Galactic. They just released their cabin for the inside of their spaceship, which was the material for the chairs. I know is made from Under Armour. What else? They still don't have a positive revenue or growth yet. So they're really not making money, but yet the stock is going up. So once they start getting people into space and more NASA contracts start to come about, this stock will start making a lot of money. And as well as Kathy Woods, the ARC, she did say that she wanted to start a space ETF, and this ticker symbol is literally space, SPCE. I think this is one of the first publicly traded space tourism stocks. So I'm pretty sure she's gonna put this in her portfolio. And if you can get this now before even she jumps into it, you know there's gonna be upside. So that's just food for thought for you right there. If you don't know who she is, definitely look her up. Her ETS and portfolios are explosive. But let's take a look at this chart again. So you can see it's hitting this support line right now. So I would definitely feel comfortable buying this around $26. I'm waiting to see if it drops down to 25 though. I would be more comfortable buying it at $25. Me personally. Let's see if I can draw some lines on here for us. Draw a trend line so you can see it's definitely trading downward. Negative spiral. Let's get another one of those going. Boop. You can see it's kind of trading down, a little tunnel-like thing. So of course, if you see it break this top yellow line, it's breaking a resistance line. I'm sorry, which would be a good. If it closes above this resistance line, it'll be good because that means it has officially broken the downtrend. And if it breaks this red resistance line, then at that point, that stock does have room to start running again. So I'm definitely putting SPCE on my watch list for the upcoming week, or for this week, shall I say, as a potential buy. Probably get there's a few shares. I'm not rich, so a good handful of shares. My next stock I want to talk about, of course, is APXT, also known as Apex Technology Acquisition Corp. And as you can see, I do have a lot of stuff on here. So let me clear this up so I can only have the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average on there for you. And as you can see on my previous charts again, it did break support line heavily. But as you can see, February, when the correction started, or some people who are very scary, the crash started. You can see it started to drop. And let's see if I can put a horizontal line on this one. You can see there was I would say right here, is a resistance line previously in November, before it jumped up to the 13s and stuff like that. And now, as you can see, that is going to be our new support line. So if this stock touches $11 again, I might have to jump into this thing. I wanted to jump in right here when it touched like 10.50 for like a brief, like minute or two, like a 30 minutes or something like that. I wanted to jump in. I did get kind of scared. I didn't pull the trigger, but hey, scared money doesn't make no money. That's a lesson for you to learn from my mistakes. So yes, if this stock does touch that low again, I would definitely buy some more shares and average my price down. I still do fully believe in this company. Nothing has changed. The overall market has just been going down. There's nothing I can do about that. So I will average my price down, so when it starts to go up, I will have a higher return. More shares, lower price. Gotta get this money. All 2021. So this is another thing. I've talked about this multiple times. This stock, like I said, nothing has changed. So I'm not gonna go too much into details about this. The third stock I am going to look out for is Roblox. They're having their IPO. Ticker symbol will be RBLX. And I don't know if I'm pretty sure everybody's heard of Roblox. If you have anybody in your family under the age of 10. Hey, some people over the age of 10. I know some adults who play Roblox. Not many, but I do know some. And I know Roblox is huge with the kids. I know a couple of my nieces and nephews for Christmas, they asked me for a Roblox gift card or something like that. Roblox is huge for kids. It's a huge world. The market is just forever growing. From what I know about it, anybody can create anything almost. It's amazing. I wish we had this when I was a kid, but with better graphics. I don't play it, like I said, but I do know that it's really huge. It started in 2006. Let's look at some things. Roblox is a global platform where millions of people gather together every day to imagine, create, and share experiences with each other. The types of gameplay on Roblox are just limitless. The imagination, as limitless as the imaginations of the creators. So it's literally, it's not like a 2K where you're going on there, you're just playing basketball, or Call of Duty where you're just solely going on there playing a team deathmatch. There's multiple things you can do on Roblox. The amount of things, like they said, is limitless. And this stock is supposed to be starting at $45 a share. And if it is starting at $45 a share, I would consider buying a few of these. Just because I know the hype behind Roblox. Now, I'm not saying I would be in this as a long-term investor. I wouldn't be holding this stock for years, but I could definitely see myself holding it a few months. But I'm not completely sure that I will buy it on the 10th of the IPO date, just because I haven't personally bought many stocks at the IPO, and kind of like Airbnb did, I don't want to go in with the mindset that, hey, this stock is going to be $45 a share, and then by the time market opens, the stock is at like $100 something a share. So if I do get able to get it, I will probably watch to see if the stock is going to drop a little bit, especially since the entire market has been dropping. Or if not, I will let it at least rise up, get its initial pop from being an IPO. Everybody's excited about it, and then I will probably sell my. I probably get in after the dip of the initial hype of the IPO, and then ride it from there. But if I don't do any of those three, I probably just sit in cash and grow my cash, because a lot of people don't know, but cash is a position. When this correction happened, every stock dropped. Every stock dropped. Well, not every stock, but majority of them dropped. And if you have the cash, you can really jump in to the positions that you wanted to. Say, for instance, NEO was too high and you feel like you missed it. CCIV was too high, you already missed it. Tesla was too high, you already missed it. Biogenomics, PAC-B was too high, you already missed it. It already kind of popped for now, and you don't want to throw too much money and chase a stock. Well, everything dropped. So, jump in. Yeah, but those are my three stocks. Like I said, APXT, Space, or Virgin Galactic, shall I say, and Roblox. Or, like I said, just might sit in cash for another week or two, add more cash into that, and jump into a bigger position in something that I feel is quite appetizing. But until then, I just want to thank you for rocking with me. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate everybody out there who's joining with me through my journey. I'm just an average man. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show my friends and family and maybe some strangers that there's money to be made out here in the stock market. Just do your due diligence, learn, stop trying to take the shortcut route. You can really make some money out here, you feel me? And that's what I'm here to show you. You can make money. You don't have to be rich, you feel me? So like I said, like and subscribe. We out. Hit them with the outro.
Are you trading yet? It's time to get in the game.